Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, one of the things that Microsoft actually had to respond to this week is the famous backup app that is in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And one of the things about the Windows Backup app, and that a lot of people aren't happy with, is the fact that there's no way to uninstall it. And that actually made a lot of people kind of, a little mad, which I understand. So basically, what happens is that it appears on the app list. Microsoft says it appears only for those that are on a Microsoft account. And what happens is that they say that the reason why you cannot uninstall it is because it's a core system app. And so they said, well, sorry, but you can't uninstall it. But now with all the people going a little crazy over this, and not just because you can't uninstall it, but also because a lot of people are like, well, why are you adding software or programs that I don't want on my PC? I didn't ask for this. I shouldn't be forced to have it, which I totally understand, and I think is a legitimate complaint. And it's not just the backup app. There's so many other apps that were just kind of forced. Look at Copilot, for example. So Microsoft kind of halfway will do something, but it's halfway. They said that in a future update, there'll be a way to prevent it from being there and now that's where it's interesting, is they're totally ignoring the home user, because they say, oh, in the Pro and Enterprise versions. And you're like, well, what about the home? Why aren't you giving the possibility of home users to remove it? It doesn't bog down your system. It doesn't change that much, but I totally understand people that are ranting at the fact that you go into, apps and you look at the apps that are installed and the number of core apps that actually have been pushed to Windows and that you just can't uninstall is crazy. They have, of course, made one change. There's a lot of apps that have added the capability of being uninstalled now that didn't before. But you know what? Every single app that is installed, even if it's installed by Microsoft pretty much by force, should have a uninstall button so that if you wish to not have that app on your system, it's up to you. Just doing that simple change. I mean, okay, push the apps to, force the apps on people if you want, but at least give them the ability to uninstall them. That at least I think would be, okay, well, I don't want this, I'm uninstalling. That's it. Now you're getting apps like the backup app that you just can't remove. And it's like, well, that shouldn't be. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.